Check out this pair of quick release shovel mounts. I'm using them on a roof rack on a trailer for both a shovel that I've got here and a splitting axe that I've got in the back. So I have them in two locations. I ended up buying two pairs of them because I like the way that they work. They come with a couple sets of keys, so you got a backup key in case you lose one. The way that they work, they get mounted however you want to mount them. There's a flat section in the back here. I've got mine mounted on a T-slot channel on a Thule cap rock. Currently I've got them in the lock position. The way that they work is you just lift up this rubber cap, insert the key, turn the key. For me, I have to pull this out because I've got this bar here. Once they're unlocked, there's a button on each side here that you just kind of pinch and then open them up. Open up each side and then you've got access to your tool. It's easy as that. I love these things. Pretty heavy duty plastic. I love the locking feature. And this little mechanism here is the part that holds it down. It's kind of like a crank down. There is a rubber pad here that gets depressed when you clamp this down, so it holds firmly in place, and it's like a ratcheting clicking mechanism that holds it in place. Right through there as well is where the bolt is that just goes into the T-slot backplate, and there's tons of options that come with these on different ways that you can mount them to whatever you're going to mount them to. There were these sliding track mounts, came with everything you need essentially. These mounts actually came with a ton of mounting options. They came with two sets of keys. They came with all the hardware that you would possibly need to install these on any kind of rack mounting situation, or just whatever you're going to attach this to. I'm sure that there was a way that you could use these bolts. I ended up just using the T-slot plate like this, and this using one of these screws to mount mine. So for me, I have a smaller shovel here. I had to keep mine a little bit closer, but for a larger shovel or larger axe or whatever tool you're gonna carry, you can have these be as wide as you need them to be, obviously, and mount them wherever you want them. And they have this nice little rubber cap on the top that keeps water and debris out of the locking mechanism. Pretty cool. So far, I've driven about 10,000 miles with this trailer, and they've not broken free or come loose, and I haven't anybody tried to take them from me. So they seem to be working.